Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable Talkback on your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your phone settings on your phone, and from your home settings scroll down and look for accessibility, like so. And then on the second option here it will say Talkback. To enable it, just double click to turn that on. And another way to get here is go back to your settings. On the search bar, type in Talkback. And there it is there. Click on the Talkback. Click on to Talkback. And then toggle that on by double clicking. So yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. How to enable Talkback on your Android device. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.